Aksyon Balita.
Maraming salamat po for the very warm welcome. Sana makikita din po yung mga tao na nakilala ko namin this morning because the reception has been so warm and so wonderful. Minsan ang dami nangyayari sa mundo. Sometimes you forget that, you're loved, di ba? So, I very much appreciate na masaya kayo na nandito dahil masaya din ako na nandito ako. Mahaba yung araw namin, marami pa po kami iikutin. And this morning we started filming. And then, marami po kami i-shoot today. And we're gonna post this online. Hopefully, it'll help the reason here in Dumaguete. I've been having the best time. So excited ako na mapanood ito ng marami pa pumunta sa dito. So, that was Brenda when we were
Thank you, Julia. I think we want to know how you want to maintain your figure. Gusto namin yung
tama naman po yun. Dapat active lang, keep moving, tapos wala sila ang kain. Parang sa tanghali, huwag ka sa gabi. Wala kanin sa tanghali. O, sige, sa gabi. Wala ba yun lang? Balance sa balance of days.
Kasi yung Dumaguete, maraming salamat, Julia, for being our new ambassador. Promoting the city through her vlogs, through her photos and videos. Very rare, for free. Okay? Let's all give her a big hand. This afternoon, she will Cinema University and at our Pangtawan, will practice the massage.
Yes, ako sa.
Oo, imagine yung mga blind masseuse doon, marami. Akala yung mga blind masseuse makakakita na.
Sana po.
So, okay, we thank Jackie and the tourism department for bringing her around, taking care of her. And by the way, let's introduce the guests also to the team. Can you please stand up and be recognized?
Yes, this is my usual team. Matulungan ko kasi pag pinapanood ko muna yung mga yung series po namin, palagi ko lang iisa for 20 people, but this is really just us. Yes po. So Vince, Clarice, and Jenny, and yung team ko. And I do want to thank also syempre yung tourism people dito because they will take it to several places. Akala ko pa hindi, wala lang
Jackie is he knows to schedule the time. He's very strict on the time.
Yes. Nagulat ako